Hi, welcome to this tutorial on the user-friendly heat treating control system HeatView. In this video, we will walk you through the process of connecting to the HeatView controller. This video has two parts. In the first, we will show you how to connect to a controller for the first time. In the second part, we will show you how to reconnect to a controller using the same computer. It is assumed in this video that you have already powered on the controller and you have connected to it using a working Ethernet connection. To start the process off, you will need to open the HeatView software. Click on the networking icon. This will bring up the routes management screen. You will notice that it is blank. Now, click the Add button. To find the controller, click on the Broadcast Search button. This will bring up a list of compatible devices. The system may discover more items than just the controller connected to your computer. Find the correct one and select it. Once selected, click the radio button IP address. Ensure the target route and remote route are both set to static, and then click Add Route button. This will bring up a log on info screen. Leave everything at their default values and click OK. Then wait for the system to set up the connection. When a connection is established, it will be marked by an X, as shown here. You can now close this dialog. You can see the new route has been added to your system, as shown here. To connect to your controller, you will need to enter the address of the controller in the address bar at the top of the software. Then click the Connect button. As the software reads all the available data from the controller, you will see the software change colors to match the state of the controller, and all the current values will be displayed on the screen. This can take up to a minute depending on the speed of your connection. The software simply loads all the settings that are stored in the controller, so you do not need to reset up the controller every time you disconnect and reconnect to it. Now I am going to disconnect from the controller. As you can see, the values are no longer displayed. And now I'm going to close the software to continue this tutorial. This is part 2 of the tutorial. In this part, I'm going to show you how to reconnect to a controller. It is assumed that you are using the same controller and computer pair that you used to establish the route previously. If you are struggling to connect and there is already a route in place, open the Route Manager screen and delete the route. Then follow the first half of this video again to re-establish the route. Here we assume the controller is powered up and you have a good Ethernet connection to it. To reconnect, let's first open the software and ensure the controller address is entered correctly. Now simply click on the Connect button and wait for all the data to populate. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Please check out the rest of the video tutorials on how to use the user-friendly HeatView software, or go to HeatView.ca and click on the Contact Us button if you need any more support.